She is a pteranodon. So a pterodactyl stay this size, whilst pteranodons, they grow up to this tree more or less. She's going to be as tall as the puppy of the first tall tree. And her wingspan is going to stretch to 7.5 meters, which is from...
And she also does like to eat quite a lot of fruit as well. She likes fruit. She's only 1.4 metres in height, you see. And she has been a bit shy, as you can see. She's kind of popped her head down, she's not came back up for a bit. I think he was talking about her. She'll be back very soon, guys, don't you worry. But as I was saying, she is very small. She's the smallest at 1.4 metres in height. But that doesn't mean that she is not very powerful, because trust me, she is very powerful indeed.
There he is, look.
Now hopefully you got to see there that she's got lots of spines and thorns along the side of her face and
there
as well. She likes to use them when she is defending herself as well.
They're at the dentist right now, while they're in the muzzles waiting, just have a check up. Just want to go place. They will remember it. They are the most intelligent.
They're having their teeth done. They're having their teeth done now.
Beautiful, my friends. Welcome to the training paddock. Now Blue is going to come out, and as soon as our lovely trainer today comes out of this lovely door, we'll train Blue. Now,
when
my
it
friends,
comes.
even though she's an animal that responds to orders and everything, she still has carnivore instincts. Therefore, my
Nothing
friends,
there.
a bit of breath, and there's a few.
That is
Here, Blue. Come. Blue. Keep your eyes here. On me. Steady, Blue. Steady. All right, Blue. We'll move it to your right. My left. We're good. And now, let's move to your left. My right. Good, Blue. Good. Shall we do this again, Blue? Easy. Blue, stand down, stay right there. Good, good. Eyes on me. Blue, Blue, here, watch it. Good, good. And we're moving. Blue, this is for you. Good. Eyes up. Now go. Remarkable creatures, aren't they? Now you have seen how our animal behaviourists train a raptor.
Okay, buddy, it's just someone stole something from the get-go. Not a dinosaur, but it's like... Don't worry, it's not that big. Everybody in here to the record the T-Rex. Yeah, the electric fence is on. Yeah, that's the fence, but I think it's working. Alright, we have